Which of the following joint does not allow any movement? Synovial joint, fibrous joints, cartilaginous joint, none of these. Fibrous joint. Find the correct match. Fibrous joint between phalanges, cartilaginous joint in skull bone, gliding joint between zygoepiphysis of successive vertebra, hinge joint between vertebra. Gliding joint between zygoepiphysis of successive vertebra. Which joint disease is associated with morning stiffness that improve with activity? Rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, gout, ankylosing spondylitis. Rheumatoid